Sam Sat. Missed the page, sorry. Sam Sat, Cat Sat.
Good job.
Okay. Missed the page, sorry. Wait. Chapter 2. Oh. This is number 2. This is number D. So you start off.
On number 2. Very good.
Okay. Sam sat. Cat jumped.
The cat jumped. So what's this word down here say? Sound it out. Cat. Good job. Let's show everybody that that's what that word says.
Cat.
Perfect.
It starts with a C.
It does start with the C.
And this is cat 2.
Mm-hmm.
And that's Sam.
Sound out the next word. Sat. Sat.
And this is number 2. This is number D. And I started off at 1. So I'm gonna show you guys 1. This is chapter 1.
That's page 1.
Page 1. And this is page 2.
Yes.
This is page D. And as you can see, I've seen this on YouTube. I watch Hobby Kids too. This is the next one. It's page 4. That is the number 4, okay? And as you can see, that is Cat Sat.
Sam Sat.
Sam Sat. And as you can see, the number 4 is there, so you can see it's a number 4.
Perfect. So let's go back and let's start over so you can read this book to Mommy, okay?
Okay. And
so who's this?
Sam, and that's a cat.
Okay, so what does this word say?
Sam.
Okay, and this word next to it?
Sat.
And this word?
Cat.
And this word?
Sat.
Perfect. Okay, so let's go on to page number
4.
What page is that? 1. Okay, so this says
Sam.
Sam. And this says?
Sat.
And this says?
Cat.
And this says?
Sat.
Perfect. So read this sentence right down here to Mommy.
Cat. Sam.
Mm-hmm.
Sat. Cat. Sat.
Yes. We're going to go on to page number
2.
2. And what does this word say?
Cat.
Cat.
Jumped.
And the cat jumped, huh? But what word is the only word that's here?
Cat.
Cat. Okay, so now we're going to look at this page. And by looking at the picture, what does it look like to you?
He's throwing away trash. And he's being a naughty kitty.
He's being a naughty kitty? So what does it say right here? What does...
Cat. Sat.
That's right. Let me see. I want to show everybody.
As you can see, there's 2 numbers.
Okay, what number is this? What page number?
This is a number D.
Number 3.
And this is number 2.
Okay, so we're going to go to the next page.
And as you can see, that's 4.
That's 4. And what does this picture tell you?
Sam Sat.
Sam Sat. And then what do the words say?
Sam Sat. Cat Sat.
No, the words. What do these words? There's only 2 words there.
Sam Sat.
So Sam sat. What word is this?
Sam Sat.
No, just this one word right here.
Sam Sat.
Sam, and this word?
Sat.
Perfect. Good job.
And I want to show you guys. Can I touch that? I want to show them something.
Show them what?
Oh, one of my toys. Next, everyone here has been in, so.
Okay, you're getting a little close, babe. So, what letter did you practice today? What letter is that?
A.
A.
But we didn't practice that.
What letter did you practice? What letter is that?
B.
B. So you practiced B today?
And then I'm gonna practice.
What letter is
C.
that? C. When are you going to do that?
Next day.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
And then I'm gonna practice. Oh, that is on here. Not here.
No, what's next after C?
Oh. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Oh, G.
No, after C.
Oh.
Goofy.
E,
After
B,
C. A, B, C, D, E, F.
E.
After C.
Oh.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
Can you say
Y,
that
and
again?
Z. Now I know my
Can you
ABCs.
say that again?
Say what again?
C.
Okay, after C. So A, B, C, D.
D.
D is after C. Yes. You're so smart.
Okay. Aye, aye, coffee kids. I'm on YouTube.